Hola, clase de Español 2. This is your Voicethread tutorial on how to get started with Voicethread. So if you're listening to this tutorial, you should have completed step 1, which is to go to voicethread.com and create your account using your school Gmail account. Okay, that should be connected to your school Gmail. Once you're in to Voicethread, you will not see all of this. I have old projects here. You will go to first create, and I'm going to open my project and show you what that should look like. When you go to create, you're going to see this page come up. You won't have pictures because you won't have added media yet. But the first thing, there are 3 steps to Voicethread. Again, log in, create your account, log in, click create, and then you're going to go through this 3-step process of add media, add comments. In this case, ours are voice recorded comments for each slide or media or picture. And then once you're done recording for each of your slides, then there's a share and you'll get a link to share with Senora Blanco. Okay, so first step is to add your media, and this plus sign is what you go to. Go to media sources, I recommend. And I like Flickr because it has rich photos. And you're just going to search. So if I am fascinated by butterflies, I'm going to search butterflies, choose the one I like, click import, and it will appear in your Voicethread project. Okay, so if I had clicked import, then the photo would be here. Now, what is this little icon down here? Does that let me add voice? It does not. It's actually allowing you to title your slide. I chose to title my slides by the topic that I'm talking about. So for this one, I called it Ir de Excursión, because I'm going to talk about hiking. La naturaleza, because I'm going to talk about nature, etc. Okay, so you can do that as well. Now I've got all of my slides loaded. I've titled them with the topic for each slide, and I'm ready to record my voice recording. So this will be early next week. We will not do the voice recording until you've gotten your script back from Senora Blanco and perfected that, practiced that script, and then early next week, you're going to come back into your Voicethread project and go to numero dos, which is the comment. Okay? And notice how this is outlined in blue. So it's going to comment on that. Now I've commented on all of these except my last one. So let's start here and see what it looks like. Once you've completed a comment, I clicked here on the record and recorded however many times I needed to get the audio or my speaking just the way I like it. And you'll see this little icon pop up, and that tells you that your voice recording is saved. Okay, so I'm going to show you now what that looks like. So if I go to my last slide, and for some reason it's being a little finicky, I have to choose my slide here first and then go to comment. And there's the pop-up of, if it looks like this, just click the plus and your choices will come up. We're on the mic for record an audio comment. I'm going to click on that. It gives me a countdown. Now it's recording my speaking. See the little red flashing light? And when I'm finished with that comment on this slide, click stop recording. It'll play it back to you. Decide if you want to keep that recording, click save, or if you don't like that one, cancel and go back and do it again. Okay, once you've got the recording of speaking that you like, that you think is the best, click save, and then what will happen is you'll see your little icon will pop up, and I will click on these little icons to hear your voice recording for each of your slides. So I've recorded all of my slides, my voice recording on all slides. I'm done with that. I've got my media set up. I've made my audio comments. Now I'm ready to do step 3. This will be early next week again, which is share. So if I click on share, I just want to make sure my settings, it's going to come right up to basic, leave it on basic. Make sure you allow anyone to view and comment. That's like the Google Doc share settings of VoiceThread. And click the copy link. And this is the link that you're going to share in the Google assignment for the speaking assessment. I'll ask you to copy this link into that Google Doc that I've created. Okay, and once you've shared the link with me, we're all set, and that would be the finished product for your examen de hablar. Gracias. Adiós.